Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot Spectrum Internet fix no internet, slow speed and dropouts. Spectrum Internet issues including service outages, loose coaxial cables or hardware bottlenecks are often resolved by power cycling equipment. For persistent issues, verify service status for local outages as this is the primary cause of disruption. Fix 1. Initial pre-checks. First, check for outages. Log into My Spectrum app or visit Spectrum support and click Check for outage to check for a service interruption banner. Next, voice service note. If you subscribe to Spectrum Voice, your landline phone service will temporarily drop during a modem reboot. Fix 2. Fix no internet. If your device connects to Wi-Fi but lack internet access, perform a sequential power cycle. First, disconnect the power cable from both your modem and router. Now, wait for 60 seconds. Allow the equipment to drain power completely. Do not use the physical pinhole reset button as it wipes custom settings. Now, plug the modem back into power. Wait for 2 to 5 minutes until the online light turns solid. Then plug in the router. Wait 2 minutes for the status lights to stabilize. Then plug the modem back into power. Wait for 2 to 5 minutes until the light turns solid. Now plug in the router, wait 2 minutes for the status lights to stabilize. Then forget the Wi-Fi network on your phone or computer and then re-enter the password. Fix 3. Fix slow speeds. Bandwidth management. Turn off high-demand applications like 4K streaming or massive game downloads to relieve network congestion. Frequency switching. Connect nearby devices to the 5 GHz band for top speeds. Move distant devices to the 2.4 GHz band. Wired testing. Run a temporary Ethernet cable directly from your router to a computer. If speeds normalize, your Wi-Fi environment is causing the lag. Cable upgrade. Ensure you are using at least a Cat6 Ethernet cable between your modem and router to prevent bottlenecking through output. Fix 4. Fix signal dropouts. First, tighten coaxial lines. Inspect the round coaxial cable screwed into the back of your modem and the wall outlet. Hand tighten both the ends. Next, bypass cable splitters. Remove any metal coaxial splitters dividing the line. Now connect the modem directly into the primary wall outlet as splitters degrade signal integrity. Prevent overheating. Touch the casing of your modem. If hot, relocate the unit out of enclosed cabinets or stacked setups into an open area. Now reposition hardware. Elevate your router to a central location away from competing electronics like microwaves or baby monitors. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.